spider's web hanging across the door. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. When I am in bed, I lie and I listen. I will open that door one day.
Okay, but in the beginning also there is one paragraph. You can read that also.
Do you know what a shed is? A cow shed, a tool shed, a wood shed, for example. It's a small room away from the main house for storing or keeping things, animals, tools, vehicles, etc. Ask your partner if she has ever seen a shed. Let him describe it to the class.
Okay, so first of all, the poet is telling us the meaning of the shed. So shed is a place, is a room where we just in our main house, okay, it's away from the main house, generally outside our house for storing and keeping things. So generally some people keep their animals there, buffaloes and cows, okay? Some people keep their tools and vehicles there. So it's a small room, okay, where we just keep our extra things, okay, that we can't keep in our home. So this is the extra thing that is called shed. Now he's saying that there is a shed at the bottom of our garden. So near the garden, beta, garden ke end mein jaake there is one shed with a spider's web hanging across the door. So that is the old shed. I think no one goes much inside. So there is one spider's web also that hangs across the door. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. Hinges is the better part of door. Now I'm going to show you the hinge also. Just this is the door. These are the hinges. You can see on your door. This one. This area is called hinge. Okay. So hinges are rusty. Rusty, you might have heard this word in your science subject. Rust is that brown colored powder that comes on metal objects. So the poet is saying that the hinges of doors are rusty. Okay, there is one brown powder on it and creak in the wind. Creak is the sharp sound, so it makes sharp sound whenever the wind blows. जैसे wind चलती है, then the door जो है वो थोड़ा वहां से हिलता है and the creak sound comes. When I am in bed, I lie and I listen. I'll open that door one day. So at night, whenever the poet is lying on his bed, okay, then he often hears these type of sounds, that creaking sound of the door. That is scary also, but the poet is confident enough, like you people, that one day he will definitely go inside that shed. Okay. Now the poet is little boy, so he is not having that much courage to go inside, or maybe his parents have they have warned him not to go. So there are many reasons, so we can just make guesses only. So he cannot go inside because he is afraid, so but he is sure that one day he will go there. Okay, this is the shed beta in the garden. You can see the picture. Now the second stanza. Harmeet, read second stanza.
Yes, ma'am. There's a dusty old window around at the side with their cracked panes of glass. I often think there's someone staring at me each time that I pass. I'll peep through that window one day.
Okay, so in the second stanza, there is dusty old window around the side. Now the window is there, no one, does cleaning there. So the old window is full of dust with three cracked panes of glass. Okay, so the glass windows, the glass that is there on the window, that is cracked. Okay, so window pane, pane क्या होता है बेटा? Pieces of glass. Okay, so window pane. This is the window pane. You can see these four pieces of glasses. Okay, in the window, that is called pane, P-A-N-E, pane. Okay, so he's saying that three cracked panes of glass. I often think there's someone staring at me. So whenever you pass in front of the thing, ठीक है, जैसे आपने मुझे बताया that there is one store room, there is one house. Whenever you just alone pass in front of that thing, you people feel that would have feeling that someone is staring at you. Staring means someone is looking at you. Each time that I pass, I'll peep through that window one day. अभी तो the poet is little boy, so he's not having courage to just peep inside. Peep क्या होता है? To look secretly from outside, from the window. So he is sure that he will definitely see inside one day through the window. Okay, who's the next one? Jasmine. Jasmine, third one, third stanza.
My brother says there's a ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floorboards, and if I never dare to set foot inside, he will jump out and chop off my head. But I will take a peek one day.
Yes. So my brother says that there's ghost in the shed. Now he is having one elder brother who says that there is one ghost inside. So generally when we want our children, our little children not to go outside, generally mothers को habit होती है that they say that कि वहाँ नहीं जाना, वहाँ पे ghost होता है. Okay. So the elder brother didn't want the little one to go inside the shed. So उसने उसको क्या बताया हुआ था that there is ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floorboard. So on the floor, beta, some people have marbles, okay, but some people are having that wood kind of board, okay, at the floor. So that is rotten. Rotten क्या होता है? Anyone? What is rotten? Yes, Gaurish and Savya, what is rotten?
Ma'am, I think so, Sadna.
मैम सड़ा हुआ.
Exactly. So rotten floorboard. So the brother has told him that the ghost is hiding under the floorboard, and if I ever dare to set foot inside, he'll jump. तो उसके brother ने उसको warning दी हुई है that whenever you will try to go inside, ठीक है, then what will happen? He'll jump out, the ghost will come out and he will chop off your head. Chop क्या होता है? Just like we chop the vegetables, है ना, छोटे छोटे pieces में कर देना. So he has given him warning that if you will try to go inside, ghost will come and he will definitely cut your head. But I'll take a peek one day. So peek again, beta, like peep, okay, to look secretly. But the boy is sure that one day he will definitely look inside, or maybe he will go inside also. Okay, Saksham and Samar, please read the last one.
Yes, ma'am. I know that there isn't really a ghost. My brother tells lie to keep the shed for his den. There isn't anyone staring or making strange noises, and the spider has been gone from his web. Since I don't know when, I will go into that shed one day soon, but not just yet.
Okay, I know that there isn't really a ghost. Now the little boy is intelligent enough that he knows that there is no ghost-like thing in this world. So he's saying that I know that there isn't a ghost actually. My brother tells lies to keep the shed for his den. वो कह रहा है कि मेरा brother है, he's just telling lie because he wants to go there alone. It's a secret place of my brother. He just sits there and he wants his place alone. तो उसकी ये secret place है, he doesn't want to share that place with me. There isn't anyone staring or making strange noises. Now he is sure that कोई मेरे को देख नहीं रहा and there are no strange noises. And the spider has also gone. So now he's sure that everything is fine. Since I don't know when, I'll go into that shed one day soon. So now he's again sure, but not just yet. अभी कह रहे कि मैं अभी तो नहीं जाऊंगा, but one day when I will grow up, I will definitely go to that shed. Okay, so this is the poem written by Frank Flynn, and I think very easy and interesting poem. Now I will ask you some questions. You can close your books right now, and you have to hold your books in your hands. For that, you have to turn on your video if you want to get turned. So Shubh is the first one on my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, where is the shed present in his home? Location of the shed.
मैम थोड़ी सी घर से थोड़ी सी दूर.
कितनी को दूर exactly, beta? In the first line it is written. Yes, Karthik.
Ma'am, the shed is present at the bottom of the garden.
Yes. So means at the one side of the garden, okay, at the ending of the garden. Okay, nice, well done. So it is present just at the bottom of the garden. Okay, so my next question is from Ipsa.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, in the first stanza, what kind of condition is described by the poet?
Ma'am, it is described that a spider is on the doors of the hinges.
Okay, there is one spider on the main door. And what about hinges? Door hinges को क्या हुआ है?
Ma'am, they are broken.
They are not actually broken. There is one problem. Yes, Gaurish?
Hinges are rusty and they creak. I think
Sir, so the door hinges are rusty. There is one brown powder. आपने देखा होगा पुराने metal के gates पे. There is one brown powder always. So hinges are rusty and they make sound whenever the wind blows. Okay, then my next question is from Saksham Rajaran. Okay, Rajaran, please unmute. Beta, how many cracked window panes are there? How many cracked window panes are there? Can you hear me, Rajaran?
ma'am, there are three cracked. Ma'am, there are three cracked window panes.
Yes, exactly. Well done. So there are 3 cracked window panes, okay, in the shed. Now, next question is, beta, how can I give you turn? All the students almost they are sitting with their video off. Okay, then I'll give chance to same students then. Yes, Jasween. So, beta, each time when he unmute first, Jasween. Yes. So whenever he passes just in front of the shed, what type of feeling he has?
He sees that somebody is staring on him from that
Exactly.
shed.
He feels that someone is staring at him. Gurnoor, you were there then. Why you just went away? What happened? I want to give you turn. Gurnoor, come back.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, turn on your video and tell me what does his brother say him about that shed?
His brother said that there is one ghost.
There is one ghost inside. Okay. So my next question, let me come back to the beginning. Just wait. Okay, Akshara. Akshara, where is the ghost hiding
Yes.
according to his brother?
Under the rotten floorboards.
Yes, under the rotten floorboards. So next is Savya, if he would go inside, what would the ghost do?
And the ghost will cut off his hands.
Cut off his?
Hands.
Are you sure? फिर तो वो बच जाएगा अगर hands तो उसके तोड़ेगा तो. Yes, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the ghost will chop off his head.
Head. Yes, Savya, head, okay. So next is Madhav. Madhav, unmute. So Madhav, my question is, in the last stanza, what does the poet realize?
Poet realized that his brother was joking around and there is no ghost in the house and the spider is also gone.
Okay. So in the last stanza, he realizes that there is no ghost-like thing in this world. His brother is lying. There is no spider web, and he will definitely go inside one day. So this was the poem. I think easy one, and question answers are also very easy. Second question is your homework. Is there any room in your house that I asked you in the beginning? Because I knew that this question is there in the book. That's why I asked you, and almost I think so many students gave answer. So in your neighborhood locality, is there any house or room in the house that you feel that is scary? You have to write this thing. Just wait. Is there such a place and a story to go with it? Let's other hear all. You can write the story also if you want. That I tried to go one day inside, but when I just reached the door, this thing happened. You can imagine the story and you can make write one incident also. Now your homework is second question. First of all, tell the name of the place that is scary, where it is present. Second thing, okay. Third thing is one incident that was so scary with that thing. And fourth thing, that your future thinking, that what will you do in the future, ठीक है? With that place. जैसे poet ने discuss किया, in the same way you will discuss, and you will make at least 9 to 10 lines. Please write down 9 to 10 lines. At least more you can make. You can make 20, 25, that is your choice. But 10 should be there. 10 lines should be there. Now the first question is, who is the speaker in the poem? Who is the speaker in the poem? Yes, Ipsa. Ipsa, do you know who's the speaker? Okay, Madhav, Harmeet, Shubh, Savya.
The poet.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the speaker is the poet Frank Klein.
Frank Flynn, yes. So the poet is the speaker. Okay. The poet is the speaker. Okay. The poet Frank Flynn is the speaker of the poem. Or you can say the little boy is the speaker. Both are correct. Is she or he afraid or curious or both? According to you, he is afraid, he is curious or both? Who will tell me? Show me thumbs up as so many students are raising hand. I'm confused. But when I unmute, they don't give answer. Savya, he is curious, he is afraid or both?
And he is both.
Okay, and you have to give reason. Why do you think so? He is both.
Yes, ma'am. As he was younger, he was being afraid, and his big elder brother made him afraid. But he was curious also, as he told in the poem that he will definitely go in that house.
Yes, exactly. So he's both. I agree also. I agree with Savya that he's both. He's afraid also. He is curious. He's afraid because he doesn't have courage to go inside. Because in the poem, he himself told us that he would go one day, but not at present. That means he's afraid. Second is he's curious because he wants to go inside and he wants to see the shed from inside. He is curious, and again he told us in the poem that one day he would definitely go to that shed. Okay, then you have to make your answer yourself. Again, 3 to 4 lines. What is he or she planning to do soon? What would he do soon? Again, show me thumbs up, please. Okay, Akshara, I can see first, then Ipsa, then Madhav, then Karthik. One by one. Yes. He's planning to do soon, beta. What?
To go inside that shed.
Yes, he's planning to open the door and go inside one day. Okay, well done. Same answer, Ipsa and Madhav and Karthik, or something different? Ipsa, I think same. Okay, Madhav, same. Karthik?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a little bit different.
Speak up.
This he want to go into that shed soon, and he want to disclose his brother's lie.
Okay, fine. Yes, you can add this line. He wants. Okay, otherwise correct. He wants. Okay, he wants to disclose the lies of his brother. Okay, and just okay, fine. So one day he is planning to open the door. He wants to go inside and he wants to disclose the lies of his brothers to everyone. Okay. So the last one is, but not just yet. In the last line of the poem, he said this line, but not just yet. It suggests doubt, fear, hesitation, laziness, or something else. Choose one word and give reason. वो कह रहा है पर मैं अभी नहीं जाऊंगा. आपके according which word is best suitable for this line? Doubt, fear, hesitation, laziness, or something else? You can give your own word. Pick out one word and give reason also. Madhav.
Ma'am, hesitation.
Hesitation, okay, you have to give reason.
Ma'am, because he is curious, but he is still afraid of it.
Yes, but not just yet suggests hesitation according to Madhav, okay, hesitation because he wants to go inside, but from the bottom of his heart, he is afraid also. See, so he is has hesitated and he's not sure whether he should go or not. Okay. Then anyone else? Show me thumbs up. Yes, Vita.
Ma'am, I think something else because he is now just a small kid. So he thinks that when he will grown up, then he will go into that house.
Okay, so
And
something else you have to give this thing better a word. You can say wisdom also, intelligence also. He knows that he's
yes,
a
ma'am.
little kid, okay? So he's intelligent enough to know that it's not the right time to go inside. So something else you have to give one word also. Yes, Gaurish, according to you?
Ma'am, according to me, hesitation because he knows that there are no ghosts inside, and but he is not becoming confident to go inside.
Yes, he's hesitate. Yes, he is having hesitation because he is doubtful that maybe there is some insects or some thing inside. So he's little bit hesitated. Okay. So अगर आप something else choose करना चाहते हो, you have to give one word also. ठीक है? Like Karthik said, but not just yet. Suggests wisdom and intelligence. He knows that he is not in that age to be independent enough to go inside. Okay. Now, who is the next one? Savya. Yes, beta. And Chehek, please, beta, take the screenshots quickly. Yes, Savya.
I think he's feared because his elder brother told him that there are the ghosts in that house.
Okay. Though in the last stanza he says that there isn't a ghost, but actually he's fearful from inside. Okay? Because okay, he's not sure that whether he's correct or not. Okay, you can write this thing. So each and every first question only one line because उसमें one line answer ही आएगा. Second question at least 4 lines. Two for afraid, two for curious. 4 lines. आप साथ में प्लीज लिख लो फटाफट एंड थर्ड वन इज ही इज प्लानिंग टू डू only 2 to 3 lines, not much. And fourth one, 4 lines, at least 4 lines. And question number 2, I told you 9 to 10 lines. Okay. So then I'll meet you now on Monday, and maybe you're having test on Monday also. I'll send it in WhatsApp group. Okay, according to test schedule, you are having one test. I'll send you test. Then next day we'll discuss in the class the same test. Okay. So take care. Now I'm going to leave this meeting. Bye.